This is the game changer that I found in goal setting. Because remember I talked about the noise. When in this world we have so much noise. So you've made your list, you've got all these goals, and you got so many goals, we're going to do this. That's great, but you could have 10, 20, 50, or 100 goals of things you want to achieve. And if you're not careful, you're going to be chasing too many goals. So this is the secret. This is the one key point. And I'm glad you stayed on to the end, because this nails it there. And if you like what you've seen today, what you've heard, like and subscribe. Share this information. Get your kids, get everybody into this goal setting. Walk them through the process. Get on there. Get them to sign up. Get them to subscribe. In there, we can change lives together. But here's the strategy. This is what I've learned. You take all your goals, you look at them. We've been through the exercises. You've categorized them. You've written a plan out. You've put it in the present tense. You've got all your goals. What I want you to do now is take that list and ask yourself, which one of these goals, just one, I need to pick one goal, that if I achieve this one goal, it takes out these other 10, 20 goals. When you get that, and what I realized was that one goal was to find something that's going to get you into this position in life. Because when you get to this position and this income level, to get there means you can take care of the kids' school and everything that needs to go in there. And to get there, you have to develop yourself personally. So what's that one goal amongst all your goals you got? If I get this one goal, what's it going to take? And that goal generally is somewhere in your career goals. What's that one goal I need to achieve in my career that's going to get me the house, the lifestyle, the car? What's that position? Look at your list, make the decision, circle it, look at your master plan like the architect in your life and go, how am I going to build this? How am I going to build this? Remember, nobody is better than you. There are people ahead of you, but don't confuse them with being better than you. They're just ahead of you. Find out what they're doing, find out how you can do those steps. And remember, just remember this, you can achieve anything you want to achieve, but never question your ability. Always question your performance, but never your ability. You were born to win. You are a unique you. There is only one of you in the world. You are priceless, but it starts with you believing in yourself and going out there. And if you mess up, clean yourself up and let's go again. Let's go again. You cannot give up on you. This is a never ever give up. We've done the exercises. We've prioritized them. These goals are important to you. You don't give up on the goal. You might not achieve them in the time frame you put together. You just adjust the date, but you don't give up on the goal.